Hello everyone. Today we will study about the gas turbine power plant. As we know that it is a power plant, it is different than the thermal power plant, as that in thermal power plant we are supplying the heat first to convert the water into the steam, and then that steam is supplying to the turbine. Here we are supplying the gases, air, and we are supplying the fuel, and after combustion that exhaust gas is directly supplying to the turbine, where the turbine rotates and provide the mechanical power to the generator, and then generator generates the electricity using the mechanical power. So gas turbine plant is also the power plant. So history of the gas turbine is that the first gas turbine is operational in 1939 in Switzerland. It was developed by the Braun Boveri. Therefore, it is used to provide power at a peak load that we know that we can use in combination of the power plant at a base load one, and the second one is as a peak load. So as base load we can say that is a thermal power plant and nuclear power plant, and at peak load we can use gas turbine power plant, diesel engine power plant, and hydroelectric power plant. So it can be used as a gas turbine power plant, it can be used as a peak loads. So after World War II, gas turbine developed rapidly. So therefore soon become the primary choice for the many applications. So now we will see the what is a working principle of the gas turbine power plant. So here we see the line diagram of the simple gas turbine cycle, where we studied about the, here we can see the three components. Main components of the gas turbine power plant is a compressor, combustion chamber, turbine, and output of the turbine is connected to the generator where electricity is generated, and other after that the power transmission systems are provided. So 1 to 2 is the process of the compressor, where air is supplied to the compressor and it is compressed as at a high pressure. Here is a given, air is compressed as a high pressure by the device called a compressor. Okay, and then the fuel and the compressor are mixed in the combustion chamber. You can see that compressed air is going in the combustion chamber and fuel also supplied there. So due to this the fuel and combustion air is ignited in the combustion chamber. Here we can see the, and the hot gas is generated. Now these are hot gases which are coming out from this combustion chamber is going to the turbine wheels, as we can say that 3 point, it is the entry of the turbine pool where these hot gases are expanded in the turbine. We can say it is a gas turbine. So most of the turbine's power runs the compressor, part of it device drives the generator or the machinery. So again it is given at present thermal efficiency is 45, maximum temperature is about 1000 degrees Celsius, and at present the maximum gas turbine size limitation is up to 30 to 40 megawatt, but it can be increased. So here we see basic a line diagram where compressed air coming and then it is going in the combustion chamber where it mix with the fuel, and then hot gases, due to ignition hot gases are generated, and that hot gases are expanded in the turbine where turbine is converted that heat into the mechanical work, and then fourth point is going to the atmosphere. Means if it is open cycle, then fourth point, that is exhaust gases which is coming out from the turbine is going to the atmosphere, and the output of the turbine, that is one part is connected to the turbine compressor where it turbine work is itself drives the compressor, and the second part is going to the generator where the power is generated. So this is a simple cycle of the gas turbine power plant. uh, Here we can see that efficiency of these gas turbines are only 20 to 30%, or we can say 30 to 40%. That is less than the thermal power plant. So as we can say that thermal power plants are having the higher efficiency than the gas turbine power plants. It is near about here it is written as a 38 to 48. We can achieve that 35 to 40. If we achieve the 35 to 40% efficiency in the thermal power plant, it is a good efficiency. Same way in the gas turbine, if we achieve 25 to 30 or 25 to 35%, it is a good efficiency of that gas turbine power plant. So gas turbine uses the fuel, burns the fuel such as oil, natural gas, and pulverized coal for mixing up with the air. So three main components, as we say, uh, as I said to you, that gas turbine have three main components, that is air compressor, combustion chamber, and combine. So major application, if we see, of the gas turbine is, first one is the aviation. In aerodynamics purposes, we use the gas turbine. There it is not a power plant because we are not generating the electricity there, but we are utilizing the thrust power from the generating from the gas turbine. So if simple gas turbine application is seen, the aviation, second one, power generation, that is a main motive of this part in our unit, that is a power generation. We are utilizing the gas turbine for the power generation purpose. Third one is oil and gas industries, where cheaper supply of fuel and low installation costs are required. Fourth one is the marine propulsion. So in marine propulsion, we also use the gas turbine. So simple gas turbine consisting, fourth one is given as three, we have already studied. Auxiliary such as starting device, lubricating pump, fuel pump, oil pump. So the energy flow given air, that as we say in the above diagram, that air brings in a minute of energy, compress adds considerable amount of energy, means that air which is coming in the compressor, it at atmospheric pressure. So compressor utilizes for increasing the pressure of that energy, means adding the energy. Fuel carries the major input, means in combustion chamber, fuel which is added with the air is again input, giving input in the cycle. So some and fuel and compressed air energy leaves the combustor to enter the turbine, means ignition takes place and the exhaust gases leaves the combustion chamber as entry in the turbine. In turbine, smallest part of the entering energy goes to useful output, largest part leaves in the exhaust. So there are various types of turbines, we will see in the next video. But once the exhaust gases coming in the turbine and expanded in the turbine, and after turbine rotation, that exhaust gases leaving the turbines are nothing but our waste. That is whichever whatever energy is carried out with that exhaust gases is the waste as per comparison with the closed cycle. So if we see the advantages of the gas turbine power plant is compact design, high speed, high power generation, storage of fuel requires less area, handling is easy, cost maintenance is less, simple in construction, and many more. We can see air less pollution. Pollution is not much as high as the thermal power plant. Simple lubrication system is there. Now we will see the disadvantages. As we see that 30% of power developed used to drive the compressor, means as we already told you that part of the turbine work is used to drive the compressor and other part is used to drive the generator where the electricity is generated. So near about 66% of the power which is generated by developed by the in the form of the mechanical work by the turbine is used to drive the compressor. Therefore the efficiency of the gas turbine power plant is less, 30 to 35%. So running speed of range gas turbine is ranges between 20,000 to 80,000. That is also the problem. For this reason, special metals and alloys have to be used for various parts because the speed is very much high. High frequency noise from the compressor is objectionable. That is noise creating noise coming from the compressor is objectionable. Starting of the plant is not simple as the diesel power plant, because we know that diesel power plant provide quick response to the energy generation. That is not simple in the gas turbine power plant. So compared to other power plant, overall efficiency of this plant is quite low. So here we can see that in gas turbine power plants in India is so many applications are there. Dadri, Urani, Anta, Faridabad, Delhi, Hazira, Uttaran, Dhuravan, Lakwa, Matwa, and also the capacity is also given, state is also specified as. So this is for the simple gas turbine power plant. In next lecture we will see about the classification. Thank you.